Hi there, everybody. My name is Corey Windler, and I currently teach 7th and 8th grade math at Mays Middle School. I've been teaching there for 2 years. Next year will be my 3rd year. I currently don't coach anything, do anything like that, because I've been working on this program, and I didn't want to overreach myself, so I pretty much took life easy for a little while. I have coached football in the past. I really enjoyed that and done some other things. Basically, I decided to get this endorsement because I had something bad happen to me a couple years ago. I was out working on the farm and hurt my back really bad, and my left leg went completely numb for close to a year. Couldn't walk, couldn't push off of it, couldn't do a lot of things. So I thought, well, I guess I better make the most out of nothing. So I decided to go back to school and get my endorsement just in case I couldn't do that. And lo and behold, I ended up enjoying a lot of the classes, and here I am finishing it, and I'm pretty excited about that. So I picked Hays because I've done some research and things, and I like the online aspect of it. As an adult with 2 kids, a full-time job, and just the convenience that it allowed me, I decided that was the best way for me to go. Where do I see myself in 2, 5, and 10 years? Well, in 2 years, I'd like to at least hopefully be an assistant principal somewhere. And then in 5 years, possibly a principal. And then after that, in 10 years, who knows? 10 years is a long time down the road. But I do hope no matter what I'm doing, I hope I'm doing something that's helping people and making a difference in people's lives. So that's ultimately kind of where I'm at right now. That may change, it may not, but hopefully I'll finish this program and we'll see where life takes me. Thank you.